Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're going to be saving a template. Okay, here I have something that I want to save for when I start out some of my projects. Here's a bunch of kicks that I use. Then we have some snares and some effects. Now these are go-to sounds that I use often within this genre, so I want to save a template that has all of them right at the beginning so I don't have to be pulling in different samples from Splice or wherever else. As you can see over here, Ableton has some built-in templates. You go to templates. There's some that just come with Ableton when you get it, but we want to save it. So we'll go to File, Collect All, and Save. And then we'll go to File again. Save Live Set as template. You'll see it populate right there. I'm going to name it SBA Perk. Where my Sync Beast people at? Hit enter, and there it is. Notice when I click on it, it'll open up a brand new session. So I'm going to double click. Notice it says Untitled now, and this is my new session that I can build off of. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.